Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and here is Celestita on her walker that Grandma Travis bought her. Hi! Say hi, Mama! Say hello! Show us a little walking backwards that you know how to do. Let's see. Go! Go! Let's see. Go, go, go! See, there she is, moving her feet. And those are her Robies that Tia Cindy bought her. She is now wearing them. You want to move, Mama? Do you want to move a little bit? Let's see. Move. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Oh, there you go. A little bit. Go, 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 go. 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 Yeah, go, go, go. Are you stuck? Oh, you are stuck down there. Here, let me help you. Okay, Mommy's gonna help you. Okay, move a little bit so you can show Grandma.